From raw corn to sealed caramel popcorn, every step is fast, hot, and exact. This is how modern factories turn corn and caramel into a shelf-ready crunch. Raw ingredients are in, now the factory takes control. Anything off spec is removed before it reaches the line. The first major transformation starts here. This is the pop that builds the crunch. Now the coating phase begins. Heat locks the caramel to its final coating texture. This is the moment the popcorn turns into caramel popcorn. Coated clusters leave the drum while the shell is still hot and soft. Oversized clusters are broken down to packable size. The second phase prepares the caramel popcorn for controlled packing. From here, every fill must be exact. The caramel popcorn hits the pouch at exact fill weight. Sealed and separated, the retail pack is formed. Now the line shifts from primary packing to carton loading. Secondary packs are now building into full outbound pallets. The line is done, shipping starts now. sealed, documented, and ready to move. The finished caramel popcorn now moves into distribution. One factory load is now split into store-ready shipments. Final mile loads are stabilized before store delivery. The caramel popcorn has reached retail. Now the finished pouch moves from logistics into shelf placement. Secondary display builds extra visibility without changing the pack. Shelf depth matters because the finished pouch must stay available and visible. Final shelf presentation is the last operational step. The same sealed pouch that left the factory is now purchase ready.